In this video, we are going to discuss some questions on general mathematics asked for NET, SET and competitive examination. The objectives of this lecture are to learn the methods of guessing the correct answer of the multiple choice questions of mathematics, to solve the multiple choice question for getting the correct answer. First question is, a sphere of radius 4 cm is curved from a homogeneous sphere of radius 8 cm and mass 160 gram. The mass of the smaller sphere is, there are 4 options, 80 gram, 60 gram, 40 gram and 20 gram. The correct answer is 20 gram. See how that answer arises. See, as the big sphere has a radius 8, its volume is 4 by 3 times pi 8 cube centimeter cube, and small sphere curved from that homogeneous big sphere is 4 centimeter, its volume will be 4 by 3 pi 4 cube centimeter cube. Also the mass of big sphere is 160 gram. We know that mass is directly proportional to volume and the big sphere is homogeneous. The mass of small sphere curved from the homogeneous big sphere is given by m is equal to volume of small sphere upon volume of big sphere into mass of big sphere, and it is equal to 4 by 3 pi times 4 cube centimeter cube divided by 4 by 3 pi times 8 cube centimeter cube into 160 gram. We can cancel 4 by 3 pi from numerator and denominator, and also 4 cube from numerator and denominator, so as we get m is equal to 160 upon 2 cross 2 cross 2 gram, and therefore m is equal to 20 gram. Namaskar. Two boys A and B are at two diametrically opposite points on a circle. At one instant, the two start running on the circle, A anti-clockwise with constant speed v and B clockwise with constant speed twice v. In 2 minutes, they pass each other for the first time. How much later will they pass each other for the second time? The options are 1 minute, 2 minutes, 3 minutes and 4 minutes. The correct answer is 4 minutes. You can see here A and B are diametrically opposite on the diametrically opposite sides of the circle. A moves in anti-clockwise direction on the circle and B moves in clockwise direction on the circle with the speeds respectively v and twice v. As they pass each other in 2 minutes, in that 2 minutes A covers actually 2v distance and B covers 4v distance. Means A and B totally covers 6v distance, and in that 2 minutes this 6v distance is nothing but the total distance covered by A and B, and it is nothing but the half of the circumference of this circle. Therefore the total circumference of circle is 12v. And now to meet A and B again, they have to cover totally 12v distance, and as their speeds are 1:2, in this 12v A has to cover 4v distance and B has to cover 8v distance, and therefore they require 4 minutes to cover that distances, and hence we can say that they meet again in the next 4 minutes. Next question is, there are k baskets and n balls. The balls are put into the baskets randomly. If k is less than n, then see, as the balls are put into the baskets randomly, it may be possible that all balls are put in one and the only one basket, means all the remaining baskets may be empty. Therefore the first option, there is no empty basket, it is not possible. It may be possible that there is a basket such that no ball is in that basket. There are exactly n minus k baskets with at least one ball. This is second option. See, if n is 5 and k is 2, means suppose there are only 2 baskets and 5 balls. If 5 minus 2 is 3, means this second option tells us that there are exactly 5 minus 2, that is 3 baskets with at least one ball. But as k is equal to 2, means there are only 2 baskets, there cannot be 3 baskets with at least one ball. Therefore the option B is also incorrect. Now see, there are n minus k baskets with exactly 2 balls. The option D, this is again as like B, therefore it is also incorrect. So as there are k baskets and n balls and n is greater than k, when we put balls into the basket randomly, if each basket contain one ball, there must be at least one basket which contain more than one, means two or more balls, because n is strictly greater than n. There k, n is strictly greater than k. Therefore, the option C is correct. Next question. An ant is crawling along the x-axis such that the graph of its position on the x-axis versus time is a semicircle. See this figure. The total distance covered in 4 seconds is, options are 4 meter, 2 meter, 2 pi meter and 4 pi meter. The correct option is 2 pi meter. C. As the ant covered this distance along this graph, the distance covered by ant is nothing but the half circumference of this circle with radius 2 meter. The total circumference of this circle is 2 pi r, that is 4 pi meter, and as it covered only half of the circumference, that half circumference is given by 2 pi meter. Therefore, the length of arc is 2 pi meter, and hence the correct answer is 2. In a bag containing only blue, red and green marbles, all but 15 are blue, all but 13 are red and all but 12 are green. How many are red? See, the correct option is 7. How is it possible? As there are 15 balls which are not blue, 13 balls which are not red and 12 balls which are not green. Therefore, we can say that G, number of green balls are number of red balls, and with B, for number of blue balls, we will get the 3 linear equations. G plus R is equal to 15, G plus B is equal to 13, B plus R is equal to 12. When we subtract equation second from equation first, we will get R minus B is equal to 2, and now adding these two equations, we can get R plus R is equal to 2R, 12 plus 2 is equal to 14, means R is equal to 7, and if we put R is equal to 7 here, we will get B is equal to 5 and G is equal to 8. As we required the value of red was, that is equal to 7. Find the missing number in the bottom middle circle. This is very interesting. The option is 6 and 2. See, here in the middle circle, the left half circle contains the values as the product of the corresponding entries in the left circle. 1 into 2 is equal to 2, 3 into 4 is equal to 12, 5 into 6 is equal to 30, while on the left half of the middle circle contains the numbers which are obtained from the division of the numbers on the left circle, that is 4 divided by 1 is equal to 4, 6 divided by 3 is equal to 2, 9 divided by 3 is equal to 3. The similar pattern is arising on the bottom middle circle, that is 3 into 5 is equal to 15, 2 into 4 is equal to 8, similarly 8 divided by 2 is 4, 6 divided by 2 is equal to 3, and therefore the last numbers becomes 1 into 6 is equal to 6 and 10 divided by 5 is equal to 2. Therefore 6, 2 are the correct numbers. We can see the correct explanation for that. See, in between B and M there are the letters 3 plus 3 plus 3 plus 1, that is 10 letters in between B and M. Again in between N and Y there are 10 letters. These are ascending and these are descending. Again in between V and Z there are 3 letters which are ascending. Therefore in between E and A there will be 3 letters which are in descending. Therefore we have to descend from E as D, C, B, A. Therefore at the place of question mark there will be the letter. Next question is, a person buys a shirt with mark price rupees 300 at 20% discount. In order to make a profit of 20%, the person should sell the shirt for, the correct answer is rupees 288. And see the explanation for that. As the mark price of shirt is 300 rupees, with 20% discount on that mark price, the total discount will be 20 upon 100 into 300, that is rupees 60. And therefore the cost price of that shirt is 300 minus 60, that is 240. On cost price, as he got 20% profit, identify the total profit later on that shirt will be 20 upon 100 into 240, that is 48 rupees. With that profit 48 and the buying price or cost price 240, the selling price of that shirt will be cost price plus total profit, that is 240 plus 48, and therefore it will be rupees 288. Next question is, a uniform cylindrical container is half filled with water. The height of the cylinder is twice its diameter. The cylinder is gradually tilted until the water touches the brim. Brim is nothing but the upper part, top of the container. At this instant, the container is inclined at, the option is 30 degree to vertical, 45 degree to vertical, 60 degree to vertical, and 75 degree to vertical. The correct answer is 30 degree to vertical. And the explanation is, see, this is the cylindrical container with diameter 2 times radius, that is 2r, and height it is given as the double of diameter, that means it is 4r. And when as it contains half of the water, we can say that when we tilt the cylinder until the water touches the brim, the height falls to the half of its original height, since it was initially half filled. And therefore what will be the sign of the angle of tilt? It is equal to diameter upon height. And diameter is twice r, height is 4r, therefore the sign of angle of tilt, it is 1/2, and therefore angle of tilt is 30 degree to the vertical. Next question is, in triangle ABC shown in the figure, AB is perpendicular to BC, further BD is perpendicular to AC. If AD is equal to 9 cm and DC is equal to 4 cm, the length BD is, options are 6 cm, 6.5 cm, 36 upon 13 cm, and 13 upon 36 cm. The correct option is 6 cm, and you can see the explanation. We know the Apollonius theorem. In this case, when the two sides of triangle are perpendicular to each other, and if the perpendicular is drawn on hypotenuse from the opposite vertex, then that hypotenuse is divided into two parts, and by Apollonius theorem, the square of that altitude is nothing but the product of the length of these parts of hypotenuse, and therefore what we get, BD square, length BD square is equal to 9 into 4, that is 36, and therefore length BD is 6 cm. If you like this video, please like it, also share it for your friends, and for the next lecture in this lecture series, you have to subscribe it so that you can get the alert for the next lecture. Thank you.